Okay, for this project you're going to need a big old hook, and you're also going to need some big old yarn, something chunky weight, or you could double up or triple up. You're going to need a hair tie, and you're going to need some scissors. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, just like always, is make a slip stitch. All right, insert your hook. Set your yarn down and your hair tie on top of it. Pinch and pull the yarn through. Use your hook to grab a loop and pull that loop right through your slip stitch. Now we're ready to start our stitch. It's basically a single crochet stitch. So hold your yarn on the outside of the hair tie, go into the hair tie, pull up a loop, go back on the outside of the hair tie, and pull through those two loops. I'm going to show you again. You're going to go into the hole of the hair tie, pull up a loop, then go on the outside of the hair tie and pull through two loops. Work your way all the way around the hair tie in the same fashion. When you come to the end of the hair tie, you might want to squish it down a little to see if you can get any more stitches in. And on your last stitch, you're just going to pull your working yarn all the way through and then go through that last loop one more time just to secure things, and snip your yarn. Be sure to give yourself enough tail so that you can tie a solid knot with the starting tail and the finishing tail. You could tie this in a pretty little bow if you wanted to, but I'm just going to tie it in a regular old knot and trim off the ends nice and close. Make sure that knot is really tight. You don't want it coming undone. And that is it. That's all there is to it. You could use this as a hair tie, but you could also use it as a fun bracelet if you wanted to. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. And also, if you know anybody you might think would like this video, please feel free to share.